Hi everyone, this is Janelle Ocloo of Lojo Immigration, where we provide you with confidence and clarity with your immigration legal matters. Okay folks, so today's video is about the diversity visa lottery, green card lottery, as it's sometimes known, diversity visa lottery, DV lottery. Okay, so first thing, yes, they are still accepting entries for visa lottery. The program has not been canceled or terminated. I know there's a lot of misinformation out there. I get questions here at Lojo Immigration. Oh, we thought that Donald Trump canceled visa lottery. No, the visa lottery program is still going on. It was enacted by an act of the United States Congress, so it will take an act of the United States Congress to eliminate visa lottery. So folks, it is still going on, and actually they are accepting entries for the visa lottery from October 3rd, 2018 until November 6th, 2018. So let me repeat that. Between October 3rd, 2018 to November 6th, 2018. Typically, that's when they accept that the visa lottery entries is within the month of October. So you have until November 6th. Typically on that last day, November 6th, it's like until 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. For those of you who are not in the US, Eastern Standard Time is it's New York time, okay? It's until noon, New York time. So really, it's best if you get it done before the last day, okay? Don't wait until the last day to do your entry. The entry is done online at the Department of State website. So as long as you have access to the internet via your computer, or you're able to go to a internet cafe, or many of you can use your smartphone, okay? So it does not cost any money to enter the lottery, okay? It does not cost any money to enter the lottery. I know that there are a lot of agents out there who want to charge you money to put in an entry. No, the U.S. government, U.S. Department of State does not charge any money to enter the lottery. So if you are eligible, and we'll talk about eligibility in just a sec, if you are eligible, go ahead and put in your entry. I mean, it's a lottery, okay? It's a lottery. It's random choice. It's by luck. Many people, I think over 1 million people enter each year, and they only pick 55,000. So, okay, the chances of getting it are not that great. But nevertheless, if it's not going to cost you anything, why not give it a try? Okay, so give it a try, folks. So next, I want to talk about who's eligible to enter, okay? So people from certain countries, the whole purpose of diversity visa lottery, diversity, is U.S. government wants to, diversity in the immigrant population. So it's for people who are from countries that have low rates of immigration to the U.S. So basically they look at the previous 5 years and see if these countries have had low rates of immigration to the U.S., then they are eligible for visa lottery. So some of you may be coming from countries where there are high rates of immigration. So that's why certain countries are ineligible for visa lottery, okay? It's not that America doesn't want people from those countries. It's simply because they have higher rates of immigration, okay? So generally, when we talk about what country you're from, we're talking about your country of birth, okay? Your country of birth. However, there are some exceptions. It's possible that you can be charged to another country other than your country of birth. Let me give you an example, folks. You can be charged to your spouse's country of birth, okay? Say, for example, this year, I believe Nigeria is not eligible for visa lottery because there are high rates of immigration from Nigeria, so that's why they're not eligible. But say perhaps you yourself are from Nigeria, but you're married to someone from Ghana, okay? Ghana is eligible for the diversity visa lottery. So you can be charged to your spouse's country of birth in order to become eligible. All right, so there's some tips there, okay? It's also possible that you, in certain circumstances, you may be charged to your parents' country of birth. So if you think that, hey, maybe I may be able to, I might be eligible, but you have some questions, by all means, contact us, okay? Contact us, Lojo Immigration. You can find us on the web, www.lojolaw.com. Now, it's not just country, okay? It's not just the country you're from. Also, there are requirements about either education or experience. Generally, in order to be eligible for visa lottery, you need to have at least completed high school, okay? So that is that you need to have completed primary and secondary education. Typically, that's about 12 years of schooling, but whatever primary, secondary education, like a high school diploma, secondary school diploma, you needed to have completed that, okay? Also, it may be possible to be eligible even if you haven't completed secondary school. Maybe you have experience in a skilled trade. Okay, so there are specific trades, and it's all defined by U.S. Department of Labor. Okay, there are specific trades that if you have 2 years experience in that trade, you could qualify for visa lottery. Okay, so there you have it, folks. The eligibility for visa lottery. Remember the dates I told you: October 3rd,